Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Chrome browser on your new Windows 10 laptop, desktop. This will also work with Windows 11, but I'm running Windows 10. Alright, so let's get started. Head on over to your desktop where you should have Microsoft Edge pre-installed with your new machine. Just double click on the Edge browser icon. Okay, now in the Chrome Edge browser search bar, you can type in Google Chrome browser download. Okay, and Google Chrome browser download Google Chrome. So it's the first one. Okay, there's a couple ways to download. You can use the navigation bar button, or you can use the button in the middle of the screen. So I'm going to click to download now. Alright, and up at the top right here you can see my downloads, and you can see that the Chrome setup.exe has finished. So let's open that file. Okay, and user account control, click yes. And it's starting up right now. It says on your marks, connecting to the internet, downloading, download complete, waiting to install, installing. Okay, and we have successfully installed Chrome. So let's get started. Alright, now that you've finished installing Chrome browser on Windows 10, you probably want to set up your default browser. Right now it's set up as Microsoft Edge. Let's change the default browser to open up as Google Chrome. So head back to your desktop, and in the search bar type in default apps. Okay, and then once the best match is showing you default apps, click on default apps. Scroll down on the default apps screen and under settings until you see web browser. As you can see, it says Internet Explorer. You want to click on Internet Explorer, left click, and then choose your browser. We're going to choose Google Chrome, so left click on it. Alright, and close out the settings window. Now, when you open up any web page, I have a web page here on my desktop, it will open up in Google Chrome. Thank you for watching. Please remember to comment below, rate this video, and subscribe for more content.